Dallas World Aquarium, birds, a big one. When I asked the gatekeeper, he said it is a toucan, attractive colors. The tail is with white feathers, neck with golden yellow, and the body exclusively wings are in black color. Beak is yellowish and some red thing is surrounding the face. Several colors and very active bird, though very big. It is not sitting at one place. What I noticed is one bird feeling more shy and avoiding the people. The other one is coming closer and having a stare at the humans around. Maybe because they got used to thousands of visitors, and maybe they are still feel comfortable and moving freely around. I didn't see any food offered to them the time I visited. Maybe they are fed very well, and it is a summer. Other days are very hot, but particularly that day is neither hot nor cold, moderate. So they are active. When the day is hot and we go to visit these birds, they are seen taking rest or hiding in some place where they feel it is very cool. Anyways, I liked these big birds because they are very big, and even they are big, they are very active. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the